It's a bit wet out here this morning. A bit. It's raining cats and dogs. Saw a couple of dogs this morning. I haven't seen any cats out here. But just peppering down, as they say. But really quite a nice morning. It's very warm. Almost like that Johnny Rivers song, Summer Rain. It's actually spring, but feels like it's almost summer. It's that warm. But it's really quite beautiful. Very beautiful. Sun's up, of course. But clouds are obscuring it a bit this morning. But normally yes, well, we have some occupants here. The ducks are usually eating right there at the shore. There must be, I don't know, something down there that's delicious. But normally they're groveling around on the floor of the lake for something or other, not sure what, but it's probably quite delicious actually. So anyway, yes, there's a lovely little light reflection of the water. Yes, but the lake is getting filled. I should think it's going to be running over soon. The overflow over there is going to be rather busy soon. Anyway, as I say, it's a delightful morning. Thought I'd say hi. But you might like to be out here with me this morning. Huh, not? Not. Alright, thank you for watching.